We back out here with a shorty Pajero straight out of the 90s, the heyday of four-wheel drives. She's over 30 years old, which I think makes her a classic. Anyway, she's old as hell. I got her for pretty cheap. She goes off-road, she tows the boat. I didn't have to give up a kidney or too many hours at a soul-crushing gig working for a big company just to be able to afford her. We out here trying to live free, you know? Let's be honest though, she is a bit ratty. She's had an exhaust leak ever since I got her and a strangely high idle. Like, I'll fire her up and she'll kind of hover at around 2,500 RPM and not really drop from there until maybe 10 minutes of driving. And even then, it'll still be at about 1,500 RPM, and that's still way too high. I've been wanting to fix her for a while now, but I thought I could do one better and maybe even get more power. These old cars are pretty easy to work on, and there's always going to be a few horses just waiting to be released by improving the way the engine breathes. I ordered some performance headers online, and I got a shop to custom fab up a nice free-flowing exhaust. They've now been fitted, and that's the exhaust done. Now, to address the high idle and improve the intake a little bit, I found out that the throttle body in the newer 3.5 liter Pajeros are actually slightly larger than these ones, and they're almost a bolt-on fit. That should give us better flow, better fueling, hopefully better throttle response and power. Let's go find a donor car. We out here in the boneyard, baby. Looking for some parts for the Pajero. Found a nice little donor. A larger throttle body in this bad boy. She gives more flow, more fuel, more power, baby. The throttle body's easy enough to get to. Just gotta remove the intake, undo a couple bolts, plugs, coolant hoses, and it comes right out. Side by side, you can see the similarities between the two. The original throttle body is 55 millimeters in diameter, and the newer one is 60. May as well give her a quick clean before she goes in, so out comes the parts cleaner. Getting that new throttle body in there required rerouting of some wires and the coolant hoses, but it went in easily enough. Alright, first start with the new throttle body in. Hope she works. Idle's going to be a bit funky because that's got to reset, but let's see. Heard the idle speed control valve doing its thing. Everything looks okay. Crank. What is that sound? I think I figured out what it was. Must have been a small air leak just around the gasket area. Snugged it up a bit, and I think it's good to go now. Start it up again. Let's go. 2,000 and then dropping right down to under 1,000. Fuck, I'm pleased with that. Woo. Let's go for a drive. That exhaust is pretty free flowing. If I'm being honest, it's a bit louder than I want it, but feels pretty good thus far. Feels punchy, picks up nicely. Throttle response is better. Feels like I need less throttle to get her moving. Definitely a noticeable improvement in the pickup. Seat of the Pants dyno approved. Very nice. I like it, man. Feels good, sounds good. That exhaust is so much beefier than it used to be. Definitely a noticeable increase in power. Throttle just responds so much nicer. So much quicker. It feels like it's more happy to rev out. Idling like a champ. Sounds good. That's pretty much the end of the video, guys. Most expensive part of it was definitely the exhaust. So headers and the custom exhaust cost me roughly about 1,500 bucks. And I could have probably fitted the headers myself, but I really didn't feel like dealing with snapped exhaust studs, you know? I was gonna have to get that custom exhaust fabricated anyway because nobody makes a system for a shorty Pajero like this. So I got them to do it all. The throttle body cost me 120 bucks from the wreckers. Nice and cheap. I honestly think it's definitely worth it. I did need to sort out those exhaust leaks anyway, so may as well get a little bit more power out of it. Now there is one more thing, actually. Let's go. guys. Hope you guys are having fun out there, living your lives the way you want to be living. Appreciate